I've got a small shopping haul for you. We went to Tesco's and we went to Asda, so I'm going to show you what we picked up today. Okay, this is Tesco's first, and we picked up one of these, the jumbo kitchen towel. Got a couple of Christmas presents, so to go with the other Christmas presents. I can't show you those for obvious reasons. Picked up this is just a small bag of Brussels sprouts. I think these are 49p. Some mixed Italian peel for my Christmas cake, which we are going to make tomorrow. Some tea light candles. These are the ones that burn for 8 hours. And 2 jars of the Cardinal, or as it is now called, Law coffee, the classic ones. They were on offer. They were £2, and there's 100 grams, so that's a really good deal. There's the other one. Picked up just a couple of bits. When you go to Slim & World like us, they have a Slimmer of the Week's basket, so whoever's lost the most weight that week, they get the Slimmer of the Week basket. So they just ask everybody who goes just to pop some bits and pieces in, you know, the butts in the basket. It could be an apple, a banana, whatever you want it to be. So I picked up 2 tins of the mushy peas. There's one there, and that's the other one. And Chris and I always take something each. It's 2 things a week. And then we also picked up for that the tin of spaghetti hoops, as these are all free on Slim & World. Something else as a Christmas present, can't show you. Some milk. We picked up this milk. This is the 1% fat milk. Some dark brown muscovado sugar for the Christmas cake. And then lastly in Tesco's, 2 bottles of the diet lemonade. So that was everything that we got in Tesco's today. And now for the bits that we picked up in Asda. Okay, these are really, really cute. We picked up 2 of these, just for soft drinks over the Christmas period. So look how cute these are, £2.75. Look, lovely little glasses with the straw, obviously shaped like a Christmas tree. There's the other one. We also picked up these. These are the WWs that used to be called Weight Watchers, the wholemeal wraps. There's 6 in here, and if you're on Slim World, these are 6 sins. All part of your healthy extra. We've got some more cheese. This is the extra mature, strong and punchy. Absolutely lovely this. 750 grams. I think it was £3 something. £3 something anyway. I'm the only one in this house that actually likes bananas, so we just picked up 3 of those. Chris doesn't like anything banana. Some mushrooms. These are back as it's seasonal and it's coming into Christmas. Well, not too far away anyway. Everywhere when it's seasonal around this sort of time of year, out comes the gingerbread latte, and this is the instant one by Nescafe Gold. Love it. I think they were 127.
Something like that.
Yeah. Just a pack of salad tomatoes. This is just a tin of pineapple slices. A pack of gammon. There's 2 gammon steaks in here. So you can see what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having gammon, mushrooms, tomatoes, egg on the top, pineapple on the top, maybe jacket potato, maybe Slim & Well fries, don't know yet, but I know most of it. Okay, so we picked up this. This was on offer for £3, and this is a ceramic dish. Now, I've got loads of dishes, and I really didn't need another dish, but the reason we picked this one up is because most of the time it's just Chris and I here for meals. When we make cottage pie, lasagna, that sort of thing, we end up making a great big one, and sometimes we freeze it, and sometimes we eat more than we should, as in a much bigger portion than we should really. So we thought ideally that half of that is a perfect size. I think it's coming across as a little bit bigger on camera, but if you were to halve that, that's kind of the size that you would find if you were to buy a ready meal for one. So I've got that for £3. Another Christmas present, can't show you. These are for us, so it's spatulas, a pack of 3 mushy peas, so we're going to have mushy peas tonight as well, all free on Slimming World. And then last but not least, we got some conference pears. This is a pack of 4. And they were £1. So that is everything we picked up between Tesco's and Asda today. As I say, it was not a great big shopping haul, but certainly big enough to show you what I got. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the notification bell, then you'll know when I've done my uploads. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye. Bye.